I'm enjoying a freshly brewed cup of mint tea that I made from my own mint plant that I grow right here in my lanai. And I'm going to show you how I did it. We're going to start with these beautiful leafy mint plants. I grow these in my lanai and do grow rather quickly. So I'm just going to cut some of these. You can also break them off if you like. And I just want to get a good number of them, and I don't care, they're going to grow back, so it doesn't really matter how many I'm going to take here. I really want to get a nice bunch of mints. Then I'm going to separate all of these leaves from the stems, and I have some real healthy plants growing there in the lanai, so I don't have to worry too much about any dead leaves or rotted leaves, because these are all really healthy. We want to get that nice minty flavor. Now, I want to chop them up. And the reason I want to chop them up is if you just put the whole leaves in, you don't get as much of that oil. So when you chop or break or tear the mint leaves, I mean, if you could smell what I'm smelling right now, it is unbelievable. All of that rich minty aroma that is coming through right now. So there we go. That's about how I'm going to have it. We're going to use this pour through coffee brewer. Now usually this sits on top of the coffee cup and you pour the water through. However, we want to let this actually brew and simmer in there. So we're going to drop it right inside the cup, and then we're going to put all of our mint leaves inside there. And this smells so good. And we're going to pour our boiling water on there. And we're going to let that pour right up the level of the cup. And we're going to allow that to brew for about 10 minutes. As long as the water remains hot, it's pulling away all those flavors and oils from the mint leaves. It's been 10 minutes, so we're going to remove the basket with our tea leaves. And let's take this out into the lanai. I've moved back into the lanai where this all started, where I grow my mint. And if you could smell this fresh, strong mint aroma. You know, I haven't added anything, no sugar, honey, just pure, and it tastes so good and so fresh. It really beats anything that you would have in dry form, you know, a dry tea bag. I hope you try it because you can grow mint anywhere. You can grow mint indoors and always have this available whenever you'd like. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. As always, I encourage you to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you here next time on the Average Me channel.